Nice one, nice one. That's gonna go on the barbecue. Ooh. Got it. Oh, yeah. Yoo-hoo! There we go. Here, let me. Nice striper right here. That's what we're after. Nice one. Here.
Nice.
Nice. Double on. Milton's on.
Spots, dude. Let me get where you're at.
Wilson's on. I'm waiting for the triple.
Yeah, let's get that triple.
Wilson's got one on. Mills in the back. Nice, good bend right there. Oh,
Oh,
it's up. Oh, there's three.
Dude,
40, leave it.
40 pounder right there, dude. Thanks, dude.
Oh,
Dude, those
dude, Chris has got a nice old spot. It's his first time fishing. Beautiful spot. There you go.
Thanks, buddy.
Nice old red eye spot. Here, still catching it midday.
It's going?
Oh, catching them out here. Nice ones on the river.
Like 3 or 4 on
I told you this was hot. There's a sandbar that comes right here.
Right when it hit the water. You got it. There it is.
There you go, doubles on. Boys on doubles. Trying to get a triple. Got the rattle trap on. Crazy. Doubles on. There we go.
Onion, spit that thing out.
Oh, this is a big one. Oh, there we go. And Creed on the background.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy, you know it's good.
I gotta come out here and dance with you real quick. Both are probably good. They're digging you out.
Oh, they're digging. Oh, yeah. Go for the ride. Oh, yeah.
That's just the sun, dude. Ooh, that's got a good one.
Oh,
Yeah, buddy.
maybe I should net. That's a nice one too, jeez. Oh, oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Mill's got a big one. Oh, my gosh. Let's go.
Ah,
Oh.
lost him.
Let's go. Lost mine, which is fine. But no.
Oh, we gotta get a photo.
Jeez, pick it, hold it up, and here, come
What do you
on.
mean, hold it?
Come on, hold it up. Oh my gosh, what a beaut. Andrew with a nice one. Creed in the background. There we go. That's a nice one. Hold up. Andrew, Chris, tripled up. Nothing like the fight of striped bass right here. Look at that. Andrew with a nice one. Look at that.
Ooh, that's a good one.
That's a nice one. Here, you want to get the net for him? Oh, dude. Hey, hold on. Look at that. Andrew, let me see. Oh, what a nice one. Yes, the triple on. Look at, smash it in, boys.
Cheers, boys.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, damn it. I'm all videotaping, getting hit. Come on, look at Chris in the back getting tapped. Oh, look at him. There he is. Come on. There we go. There we go. We are just getting whammed right here, guys. I got the smallest striper of all of them. Chris is on. Here we go. He's on one. He says all of them are good. All right. Oh, it's a dancer. Oh, yeah.
I'm hungry.
He hungry. Look at that. So we're here for. It's just too much freaking fun, dude. I'm never going to work.
I'm never coming to work.
Oh, yes. This is awesome, people. If you see that, the drag is stinking. That's what it's about. Oh yeah, that's what you go for. Look at that. Don't. Fighting good. All right. I mean, and he's not even huge. He's just, you know,